good day for a barbecue.
Burgers?
Yeah. What have you got paint? What are you doing with the paint?
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 No,
What have you got paint?
No.
Oh, shit! See what you did?
No.
I made some perfectly good burgers, and you've ruined it. Bad!
You got that.
Oh, fuck, I've got a phone call. Hello? Yeah, I'm just hanging out with my son. He's a retard. I'm doing some grills. Ah, shit! Ah, fuck. Oh, I've got to go run this under the tap. Ah. Oh, shit. Ah, shit.
Is anybody there?
Ah. Oi, put that down. Get that away from the grill.
Should we cook it?
No! No! No, no, no. I will unadopt you. You fucking retard! Why would you do that? Oh, let me flip this. What the hell are you doing? I will. Lord help me.
No.
You have a tasty spatula? Get your ass inside. Get your ass inside.
Okay.
Get inside. I'm done. Stupid burgers. Can't just have a good barbecue with you. Give me some of this. What's your griefy grape? This is your bitch. Oh. You remind me of my son, mate. What? Why have you got that? No, you're not allowed that. No, you're not allowed. No, you're not allowed that. For God's sake. John Jr.
I'm gonna jump off the roof.
Don't jump.
I'm gonna jump.
No, don't. Oh, my God. John Jr., you're so stupid. I'll catch
I'm
you.
gonna do it. Catch me.
No.
Oh.
See what happens, mate? You little shit. Yeah. You're so lucky.